back to our life.
Daddy, architect.
Ayan na naman si Leo. Ayan na naman si Leo.
Architect. Daddy, architect. Yeah. Daddy, architect.
Oh, look at
Yeah.
Wow.
We know that already.
Shout out
copying
to
me.
our new followers.
No, Papa.
Welcome to our page.
Yeah, page.
Please
Big.
subscribe also to our YouTube channel and support also our staycation page and also my personal account.
Sorry.
Ayan. Si Daddy, seryoso. Seryoso ang ating driver. Yeah. Ayan na, punta na. Guys, itour muna namin kayo dito sa Dubai natin.
Guys,
Guys.
Dubai Cafe.
Ayun guys,
World
may
War
police
III
station dun guys.
Coming soon. Guys, you know World War III is coming soon.
Hoy, Liam. Stop saying that. That's not allowed in the live also.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yung mga about dyan, mga not allowed.
God.
May ano pala tayo music. Dahan-dahanin mo konti. Baka maano tayo copyright.
My give me a yogurt.
Yeah. Do you talk to our ano?
Give me
Follower.
that. Guys, do you miss?
Stop dyan. Tama ka may napindot ka dyan.
Guys, do you?
Oh, yan na.
Guys, do you miss Ate Shang Shang? Guys, do you
Ayun na.
miss?
Hindi pa naman yan. Green pa yan, digdig.
Guys, do you miss Ate Shang Shang?
Oh, habulin natin ang green light.
Guys, I bet you guys miss Ate
Green
Shang Shang.
light.
You mix 40?
You miss food.
You miss Ate Shang Shang? You mix 40?
Green light.
Road Pacific Limit? What? Pupu,
Here's
pee-pee?
guys, the clock tower.
Mimi?
We are approaching clock tower.
Pudi? Clock tower, let's go.
Say hi to the clock tower, guys.
My big, my pudi on.
Say hi to the clock tower, the oldest, ano apod ka yan? Landmark here in Dera. The clock tower.
I picked one.
It's in the house.
Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr Al-Siddiq. Abu Bakr Al-Siddiq Street. No, mati ko sa radyo berme. Abu Bakr Al-Siddiq. Eh, pag may nakasurat oh. Abu Bakr Al-Siddiq
Oh, you have
Street.
your own house? Nice.
Go to Daha.
You.
Go to our house.
Kaya nga, ayan, may nakalagaw. Abu Bakr Al-Siddiq.
We're going. I'm going back.
Ito, alam mo, tom.
Look, me going. Uy, nice. I my cooking.
Huwag natin sayangan yung aking load
Guys.
habang lumalabas live.
Ow! Family.
Down kayo, ayan yung pulis. Uy, Dubai Summer Sale. Ayan o. Kailan pa yan dyan? Ngunyan ko lang nailing yan.
In where?
DSF. Summer Festival, something. Yan pa.
Yun ano.
Guys, the clock tower. Say hi to the clock tower.
Going.
Oh, Dubai Summer Surprises pala. The police guys, oh. Dubai Summer Surprises pala, daddy. Bako festival. Oo, may kotse. Digdi nung saro, pag digdi baga ako nagano pasiring, tapos may motor, iinutan pa ako kang motor, mababangga siya. Siya pa sumatibayon mag-inot. Nailing nang nakasignal ako. Oh no, sabi ko dadaan tayo sa Wmart.
And there's a parking.
Ayun
There's so much parking. Yo.
DIB yun.
No, not in DIB.
Wag na, meron din naman ano. Doon na lang tayo pala sa sa Tiger Sugar.
Ew!
Masarap yun.
Ew!
Masarap yung boba sa Tiger
No,
Sugar.
Tiger Sugar is mixing a tiger plus sugar. Eh.
Ayaw mo nun, maging matapang tayo like tiger.
No, I don't want to be a tiger. I want to be a lion. Arr!
Oo, may ano.
I want to be Tung Tung Sap.
Ano yun? Liam, isip mo si Leo, kapag nag-i-stop ng bigla, matumba siya.
Me on foodie. Oh my. No, they on give up key. Diwa.
Dito na tayo guys, approaching to Dera City Center.
Did we crash again? Just. Hey, let us pass. What the what? Fucky.
Ay, saan kita mapark? Sa may Jollibee ba ko?
No.
Yaon doon sa Tiger Sugar. Sa Ibong.
Fucky.
We're here at Dera City Center guys. Yon. Ayun yung Dera City Center Metro Station. The night to night car. Hindi today.
Guys, we're in DC.
Here's the other building in Dera. Dera, Dubai guys.
Dubai.
Sentro to ng Dubai.
What the fuck the fuck? I want to be Tung Tung Sap.
Ayan na, yung mall.
I've been 40!
Our favorite mall.
40! 40! It's a raptor.
Duman sa baba. Igwaman duman ano.
40! That's 40.
Igwaman doon sa baba, boba.
What again about boobies?
Doon sa Mighty din doon. May bubang masarap din. Yung binili natin nung nakaraan.
What the mufa? What? What the? Oh, there? Ami?
Di ba kita rin nakapark? Ano? Ining parking to. Saan daw yan banda? Maluwas. Yung parking to. Di ba kita nakapark dyan? Wala pa akong duman.
So, tigagyan ka bagay sa may...
Sigma boy!
Ano nga na yan? Sa likod ng mga...
Sigma! No! Ami?
Wala pa ako narumduman na nagpark kita dyan. Yan guys, oh, yung Pullman Residences. Hotel yan, Residences. Residences na. Yan o. Diyan guys, maganda tumira o. Kasi pagbaba mo, Dera City Center na. Diba?
Hala mo to siya mo.
Mall na.
I mean him food.
Sport.
Naku. May camera si Park In. Baka ma-fine tayo.
Kufama miga.
Bye guys. Papasok na kami sa parking.
Yafat.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please like our videos in post para madami tayong dollar.
Shout out these people. Shout out. Shout out, guy. Who's watching?
Ayan, napaparking na kami guys ng Dera City Center Mall.
Okay.
Oh, ayan yung Dera City Center Mall. Ito yung favorite naming mall. Malaking mall to dito sa Dubai. Ayun, may Carrefour dito.
Bro, we know everything here.
Oh, all not everything.
What do we know everything?
Oh, bye na boy.
I can walk to Carrefour with my eyes closed. It's so easy.
We've been 10 years here going
I
back
can
and
go to
forth
Krispy
in
Kreme.
Dera City
I can go to
Center.
Krispy Kreme with my eyes closed. I already know it.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. Have fun. Bye bye.